QuData.com.
Welcome to a new video tutorial from QuData. This time we will show how to connect WhatsApp as a new communication channel of your chatbot. First, click Integrations WhatsApp. Please read the prerequisites at Step 1. Before signing up, make sure you have a valid phone number. Check if your phone number meets the criteria from the link in Step 1. For phone numbers with an IVR system enabled, the IVR needs to be temporarily disabled during the registration process. Open Step 2 of the instruction, and follow the link. Register an account with 360 dialog, and click Accept Terms. Log in with your Facebook account, and click Get Started. Confirm the access rights by clicking Continue. Next, select your business account. Enter your business account name and select the time zone. Wait a while, and move on to the next step. Enter the display name. Then select the category which your business suits best. At the final step, enter the phone number to be linked to your WhatsApp chatbot. Enter the code from the verification SMS, and click Verify. Excellent! You are automatically directed to your account with 360 dialog. Wait a while, and click Generate API Key. Copy your API key and return to our development console. At Step 3 of the instruction, enter the phone number which you used previously to register your WhatsApp chatbot. At Step 4, paste the copied API key into the relevant field. Complete your Business Manager profile. To keep connected to the API, you should add your information in the Business Info section of Business Manager settings. Check Step 5 for additional guidance. Activate the WhatsApp channel with the switch in the top right, and click the next icon to launch the chatbot. WhatsApp application opens with your chatbot. Send the message Start. Here you go. Your chatbot is now successfully connected to WhatsApp. Watch our videos to connect the bot to other communication channels.